Unit 11 Books and Printing. Lesson 1 The Written Word. Page number 93, page number 51. Lesson 2 Books. Page number 94. Lesson 3 Early Printing. Lesson 4 before page number 95. Then lesson 4 a new type of printing. Page number 96, page number 53, page number 54. Lesson 5 European Printing Presses. Page number 98, page number 55. Page number 99. Unit 12 Rights and Responsibilities. Lesson 1 What do we need? Page number 101, page number 56, page number 59. Lesson 2 Human Needs and Rights. Page number 102. Lesson 3 Rights for All. Page number 103. Page number 105. Page number 57th. Lesson 5 The Right to Education. Page number 106, page number 58, page number 107. Checkup tests. Checkup test 1. Next video.